Hello friends, welcome to my first YouTube video. Finally, I'm doing this project and I want to share with you a lot of my watercolor projects. So today I'm going to paint these beautiful koi fish. They are so cute and I love them because they are a symbol of fortune and luck. So I was guided to paint them today as my first watercolor tutorials. So at first I thought they were difficult to do, but actually after experimenting a little bit, I found out that they are so fun and easy to do. So let's dive in. Some of them are almost white, so to make them we are going to use a little bit of black pigment. So we are going to make here a very light gray, and we are going to start making one fish over here with almost just with water, and I'm going just to press a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of pigment so you can see the shape, but I'm doing like a kind of drop shape with a little bit of gray, and here I'm going to do the mouth, the mustache. I'm going to add a little bit of black to make the fin. And I will add a little bit more pigment. To make the fin here. And just with water, I will make the fins on the sides, pressing the brush, lifting it up to make the shape. And here I'm going to add a little bit of cadmium orange. Like all of this is wet, we just have to get the pigment and add it through the body of the fish. Now we'll add a little bit of black here. Okay, so that's the first fish, and now I'm going to make one on this side and one here. And with a little bit of black, I will make one fin. And the other one with just with water, because I want to add more color on this side. So I will make it first with water and then I will add the color And I will take a little bit of cadmium orange. I will add a little bit of yellow lemon dip. And I will add a little bit of red to give different shades of these warm colors. I'm going to just make sure that everything is completely dry. So I will add the eye here, right on the side of the fish, making like a little half of an oval. on this side and the other one here. They give like the final contrast. Okay, so now we have our 3 koi fish. They are so cute, and actually I had a lot of fun painting them, so I invite you to experiment a little bit. I am eager to paint several of them in blue, and actually I can see this like on a print for a baby product or something like that. So have fun, grab your brush and create something today. And please like this video, leave a comment below letting me know what's your favorite animal to paint, and please subscribe so you don't miss the next watercolor tutorial.